In a world that's constantly moving faster, where consumption is celebrated and we're told to always want more, what if the true key to happiness lies in having less? Minimalism. It's a word you've likely heard, but what does it really mean? And more importantly, how can this seemingly simple lifestyle choice transform your life, your mind, and your happiness? Today, we'll dive into the philosophy of minimalism, its mental and emotional benefits, and how it might just be the secret to living a more fulfilled life. Minimalism isn't just about owning fewer things. It's about living more intentionally. It's about removing excess, whether physical, mental, or emotional, to focus on what truly matters. It's about shifting your mindset from wanting and consuming to appreciating and being present. Minimalism can manifest in different ways. For some, it means decluttering their homes. For others, it might be simplifying their schedules, reducing their digital distractions, or even embracing a slower pace of life. At its core, minimalism is the pursuit of more with less. More time, more space, more freedom, and ultimately, more happiness. Research shows that our environment has a profound impact on our mental state. Clutter, whether it's physical mess or emotional baggage, triggers stress and anxiety. It overwhelms the senses, making us feel out of control. When we clear out the clutter, something incredible happens. Not only do our spaces feel lighter, but so do our minds. A decluttered space leads to a decluttered mind, a phenomenon known as cognitive clarity. With fewer distractions, we can think more clearly, focus better, and feel calmer. Minimalism can also help break the cycle of consumerism and comparison, which often fuels feelings of inadequacy. By focusing less on what we don't have and more on what we do, minimalism encourages gratitude and mindfulness. It's in these small, everyday moments that happiness can truly be found, and minimalism helps us notice them. Productivity and minimalism often go hand in hand. When our physical and mental spaces are free from clutter, we can direct our energy towards the things that truly matter. In fact, many of the world's most successful people, from Steve Jobs to Elon Musk, have embraced minimalism in some form to boost their focus and productivity. By reducing decision fatigue, fewer choices of what to wear, how to organize, or what to prioritize, minimalists streamline their daily lives, leaving more room for creativity, innovation, and meaningful work. In a minimalist lifestyle, the focus shifts from multitasking to single-tasking, doing one thing at a time and doing it well. It's about quality over quantity, both in our work and in our lives. Part 4. The link between minimalism and happiness. Minimalism is not just about getting rid of things, it's about making space for what really matters. And for many, this shift in focus leads to greater happiness. Studies have shown that experiences, not possessions, are what make people truly happy. Minimalists prioritize experiences, spending time with loved ones, traveling, or even just enjoying moments of peace and quiet, over accumulating more stuff. By focusing less on material things and more on relationships, personal growth, and mindfulness, minimalists often report higher levels of life satisfaction and contentment. Happiness, it seems, isn't found in the things we own, but in the moments we live, and minimalism allows us to be more present in those moments. Part 5. How to start your minimalist journey. So how can you get started on your own minimalist journey? You don't need to throw everything away overnight. Start small. Begin with one area of your life, whether it's your closet, your kitchen, or even your digital life. Ask yourself, do I use this often? Does it bring me joy or serve a purpose? If the answer is no, consider letting it go. Remember, minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about intentionality. Keep what adds value to your life and let go of the rest. Part 6. Minimalism as a lifelong practice. Minimalism isn't a one-time event, it's a lifelong practice. It's about continuously evaluating what's important to you and making adjustments as your life evolves. As you simplify, you'll find that your life becomes richer in experiences, deeper in connections, and more meaningful in ways that possessions could never offer. In the end, minimalism is about making room for happiness, for peace, for the things that truly matter. And maybe, just maybe, happiness isn't found in more, but in less. So is minimalism the key to happiness? For many, the answer is yes. Less clutter, less stress, more focus, more joy. If you're ready to explore more about mindful living, simplicity, and well-being, don't forget to subscribe and join us on this journey toward living with intention.